Welcome back. Now the second tab down in your settings is going to be for your payments. If you click that tab, you'll notice then that you can start collecting payments once you set up your payment system with Teachable. And this is basically the place where you are going to be collecting payments using Teachable's Teachable payment system. Now, if you don't intend to use the payment system through Teachable and you're just going to be delivering the link using Teachable, you don't have to set this up. For example, if you're going to be using another shopping cart, this is not something that you're going to have to do. However, if you want to use their payment system, you can go ahead and start this setup process. Now, Teachable will ask you a series of questions that you're going to need to answer in order to set up your Teachable payments. Now, basically what you're going to be doing when you get to this stage is you're going to be connecting your personal information to Teachable's Stripe account. That means one of the first things you're going to be doing is you're going to be setting up verification codes using your phone, and then once you're set up, you will be set up then with Teachable payments. The next tab down will be based on your locale, and you'll need to set up for taxes. Now basically what you'll see here is that you're setting up for the value-added tax inside of the European Union. And if this is relevant to you, you'll need to make sure that you have these factors set up. The next tab down will be your notifications tab. And what you'll notice is that you have several tabs activated by default. Now, the only things that will not be activated by default will be your comment notifications. And depending on whether you're going to have comments on your posts or on some of the content you'll be creating, you can determine if this is going to be relevant to you. The next tab down will be your plan tab. Now, if you are still in the midst of your trial, you'll notice that the trial will be available to you using the features in the professional plan. You'll be able to determine what your costs are going to be if you choose a monthly plan or if you choose an annual plan. The next tab down will be your billing tab. And this is where you will add in your credit card information in order to be charged by Teachable. The next tab down will be your integrations tab. You're going to notice several integrations. You're going to notice a Facebook integration, ConvertKit, which is an email service provider, Segment, Google Analytics, viral traffic tools such as Sumo, MailChimp, another email service provider, and then Zapier, which will allow you to connect with other cloud-based applications which you do not see in your integrations area. You can disable course events when working with your integrations by choosing this button. If you are doing more advanced integrations, you can use the webhook feature, and that's going to be the next tab down. You'll also see that there is a role tab, which is going to be the next tab down. And this is where you can assign individuals to specific roles, such as owner, primary owner, author, and affiliate. And finally, if you're willing to test some of Teachable's new features, you can select being part of their beta program and click Enable. And once you've done that, you will have configured your school settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.